Hi, and thanks for tuning in. I'm Paula Melton, Editorial Director at BuildingGreen. Today, we're talking about decarbonizing existing buildings. First, in case you haven't noticed, we're in really big trouble, and the building sector is a major part of the problem. Meanwhile, at least 2/3 of our current building stock will still be around in 2050. How those buildings perform could make all the difference to our survival as a species. In fact, the World Green Building Council has said that we need to decarbonize all existing buildings by 2050 if we're going to stay below a dire 2-degree warming scenario. The stakes are high, and we can't do what we need just by focusing on new construction. We must turn our attention now to energy retrofits, existing building electrification, ramping up renewables, and most important of all, scaling up all these efforts to reach millions of buildings. With our Spotlight report, we can help you make the case for project-by-project decarbonization. Whether it's embodied carbon, health, or ROI that resonates with your client, there are plenty of good arguments to be made. Next, we'll show you how it's done. Making the shift in mindset from energy to carbon is the first step. Figuring out fiscally responsible timing is crucial. And we won't lie, managing the process can be intense. We spoke with Lauren Zullo, Managing Director for Impact at Jonathan Rose Companies, about how she is championing the decarbonization of an affordable housing project, Shore Hill Apartments in New York City. Of course, we ultimately will have to do this building by building, but Lauren also helped us understand how her company is developing a roadmap for the decarbonization of its entire portfolio. We also talked to the Sustainability Director for the City of Ithaca about that municipality's strategies for funding citywide existing building decarbonization. And we looked at new code language put out by the New Buildings Institute. Along the way, we also poke into other issues, things like how to start the conversation with clients and the right questions to ask, whether it makes sense to electrify if your regional grid is still burning coal, and what to make of the fact that refrigerants, which in many ways are the lifeblood of electrification, have climate issues of their own. This Spotlight report is a free download for BuildingGreen subscribers, and it can be purchased by anyone for $39. 1.5 continuing education units are available through AIA and GBCI. To read up on this critical topic, get your copy at buildinggreen.com/EB2050. Thanks for watching.